Good morning, students. My name is Laika Mera Flores, and you can call me Ma'am Laika or Teacher Laika. I will be your teacher in learning area of mathematics. But before we formally start our lesson for today, let us have a short prayer, and I will be the one who will lead the prayer. Okay? So everyone, please close your eyes and bow our heads. Okay? Lord, thank you for this day na we gathered for learning mathematics. Naway po, Panginoon, na i-bless niyo po ang bawat isa na nasa kanilang bahay. Panginoon, patawarin niyo po kami sa aming pagkakasala na hindi namin sinasadya, Lord. Ang tanging dalangin lang po namin ay matuto po kami, maging ligtas sa araw-araw. I-bless niyo po ang magtuturo at ang mga estudyante na nakikinig sa akin. Yun naman po, in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Okay, thank you for joining me in a prayer. Now, I need you to open your camera, okay, for our pictorial, no? Kailangan kasi during this online class, I want to see all of you, okay, your faces, like that, and check your mic if gumagana ito, dahil mamaya may recitation tayo. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, i-click ko na ang ating camera for picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tapa, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, students. Now, you can turn off your camera, lalo na sa mga estudyante na mahina ang signal, para maka-cool up tayo sa lesson. Okay? Ha? So, i-check ko yung attendance ng bawat isa. So, if you are here, you can open your mic and say present. And if yung kaklase nyo ay wala, you can also say it to me na absent. Okay? Para aware ako. Okay, so for today's.
A few minutes later.
Okay, thank you, student, for cooperation. And I think wala namang absent sa inyo. And I'm glad that walang absent. So now, dahil tapos na tayo sa ating daily routine, let us have a short recap about what we are tackled last meeting. So anyone who can recall what is the last discussion? Yes. Okay, thank you so much for answering. So the last topic that we discussed yesterday is about the polygons. Okay, the polygons are the plane figures formed by 3 or more segments such that each segment intersect with exactly 2 others and no segment with a common endpoint are collinear. So thank you so much for that. I'm really appreciate your recitation and recalling about what we are tackled yesterday. And sign to na talagang natuto kayo. Okay? So, can you give me some example about polygons? Alright, thank you so much. The example of polygons are the triangles, the quadrilaterals, the pentagon, the hexagon, the heptagon, the octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Thank you so much. Okay, so I think you have learned what we are tackled yesterday. So let us have a short motivation. Okay, para sa motivation natin before tayo mag-start ng ating lesson. Again, motivation will give you a hint, guess, or clue kung ano magiging topic natin for today. So, did you know what is the game of Bring Me? Dahil online class ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang title dito ay Show Me. So, okay, Show Me. So, the instruction is very easy. The student will bring the objects that I will ask for you, or anyone from the group who can bring the exact object to me. Okay, like for example, bring me a flower. Okay, you can bring a real flower, pwedeng plastic or picture ng flower. Okay, so each of you will get 5 points if you show me that object. Yes, ililista ko po lahat ng mga student na magpapakita sa akin. For 5 points, okay, bring me. Tell me when you're ready, class. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bring me the object of button. Okay, did you know the button in Tagalog is botones? Okay. nakikita ko na. Next object is coins. Coins. So, again, kung sino man po ang makakahanap ng mga object na to, kompleto, meron po kayong 5 points. The third object is circular bracelet. Did you know what is a circular bracelet? Dito yung nilalagay. The fourth is the round strip of paper. So, ang gagawin nyo lang ay kukuha kayo ng papel at pupunitin nyo ng pabilog. The circular plate, the cover of circular food container, o yun yung tinatawag nating takip ng kahit anong container. Pwedeng drum. Okay, next is water bottle cup. Napaka-specific nito. Water bottle cup. Okay, thank you so much, and I guessed. Everyone got the items that I want to see, and you all show it, so everyone got 5 points. Thank you so much. So, can you tell me about the motivation that we did earlier? Can you tell me what will be our topic for today? Yes. Okay, brilliant idea. So our topic for today is all about the circle and its part. So we will not just discuss the circle, but we will also know what are the parts of the circle. Okay, thank you so much. So let us start our formal discussion. Eto na po, tingnan nyo po ang presentation ko po Okay, so first, let us know what is the circle. Circle is a closed figure that has a curvilinear boundary. So, ang Tagalog ng circle ay obviously bilog. When we think of circle, the very first thing that comes to our mind is a round shape. For example, as the bangles, coins, rings, plates, chopsticks, pizza, CDs, wheels of a car, bus, cycle, truck, train, and airplane are also a round shape. So again, circle is a collection of all those points in a plane that are at a given constant distance from a given fixed point in the plane. So in short, circle has no corner and a collection of all points. Ibig sabihin yung mga point, pag pinagdugtong mo siya, you can create a circle. So, let us go to the part of the circle, which is the center. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo sa picture natin, merong dot sa loob, which is letter O. Again, the circle is a closed figure made up all points in a plane that are the same distance from a fixed point, called the center of the circle. So, yung kung ano yung tuldok sa loob ng circle, yun yung tinatawag nating center. Next is the radius. The constant distance from its center is called the radius of the circle. In the figure, we have a point O and the point A. Kung makikita natin yung line na yan, from center to the side of the circle, ayan po ang tinatawag nating radius. Tandaan po Next is chord. A line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called a chord of the circle. In the figure, AB is the chord of the circle. So, anything that line that joining 2 points in a circle, we call it chord. Kung makikita nyo, ayan yung letter A na point and letter B. Yung straight line na yan po ay chord. Next is diameter. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called the diameter of the circle. A circle has an infinite number of the diameters. CD, okay. In this figure, CD is the diameter of the circle as shown in the figure. Why CD? Because kung makikita natin yung point natin is O, ayan po, CD, okay, nabangga niya yung mismong center, kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay diameter. So, if D, okay, D, small letter D dyan sa figure natin, is the diameter of the circle, then D is equal to 2 radius, R is the radius, or the longest chord is called diameter. So the longest chord in a circle is called the diameter. Okay? Do we understand? Okay, kung tatanungin ako, teacher, ano po pagkakaiba ng chord and diameter? Ang pagkakaiba ng chord and diameter, yung diameter po ay dadaan siya sa center or sa gitna ng circle. Yung chord po, kahit anong 2 points, basta hindi siya dadaan or hindi niya sasagasaan yung center, chord po ang tawag dun, okay? And again, please remind, nasa loob sila ng circle. Next is the second. A line that intersect a circle in 2 points. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yung color green na line na yan, second yan. Siya yung, lumagpas siya, yung linya na yon, lumagpas siya sa circle. Okay? A line that intersect in a circle in 2 points. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Siya yung line na lumagpas sa circle. Next is the tangent. A line that intersect a circle in exactly 1 point. Siya yung line na nag-touch lang sa circle. Remember, outside the circle. At tong kulay blue na to, yung kulay blue na line na yan, ang tawag dyan ay tangent. Okay? Tangent. Next is the point of tangency. So, ito actually hindi naman siya kasama sa lesson natin, but I will just give an additional information. The point where a tangent line touches the circle. So, ito yon, yung point T. Siya yung tinatawag nating point of tangency. Thank you for listening, guys, and I hope that you learn from what I've discussed. And again, kung medyo nabibilisan kayo, you can ask me a question right away. Sino may question? Anyone? I guess walang question. So, for further enhance of learning or knowledge that you have learned for today, let us have some example or kind of activity, which is I will give you the picture. Okay, did you see that circle with a lot of colors of lines? Okay, please look at the figure in the screen and read the instruction carefully. From the illustration, name of identify all chords, diameter, radius, second tangent, point of tangency, and the center of the circle. So, like for example, ma'am, yung color green na line, yan po ay, tapos yung violet na line, yan po yung sagot nyo. Okay, I will give you just 3 minutes. Your start timer. Okay, pwede na po kayong magsimula.
A few minutes later.
Okay, and I guess everyone was ready for their answer. Anyone can give me the answer for what is the color, what is the label of the line of color green? Yes. Very good, that is a chord. What about the orange? Very good, that is a radius. How about the color red-violet? Correct, that is diameter. The yellow is, the color blue, second, correct. And what is the line that we called outside the circle? Correct, tangent. I'm very happy that you all get the correct answer. So please, can anyone give me an answer? It's just a 1 sentence or 2 sentence. Let us make a short review. Can anyone tell me what is the circle? Yes. Okay, thank you very much for your answer. Correct. Circle is a curved shape that has no edges. Okay. Yes, you're raising your hand. That's right. Circle is a closed figure that has a curvilinear boundary, correct? Very precise. And the second question that I want you to answer is, what are the parts of the circle? Anyone? Kahit hindi po kumpleto, pwede nyo po sagutin ito. Just kahit isa lang po. Okay. Radius, diameter, tangent, secant, point of tangency. Ano pa? Center. Chord. Thank you so much. That is the correct answer. And can you give me at least one example of a part of a circle? Okay, correct. So, center is the center, obviously, of the circle. If you have a point A, you call it center. And the other one, if you have a point on the side that connects to the center, we call it radius, correct? Thank you so much. Okay, and the point out, I mean the line outside of the circle that touches the circle, which is the tangent. Thank you so much. You're very impressive, class, na nare-recall nyo yung ating lesson at nakakasagot kayo ng mabilis, okay? Thank you. So, for that, let us have an application. But before we proceed to our next activity, can you cite any experience of yours on how circle are used in our daily life? Yes. Okay, very good. Thank you so much for that idea. Again, uulitin ko yung sinabi ni Miss Santos. The circle is used in our daily lives like a different things that we use in our house, like a clock, circular plates, circular tables, and chairs. Thank you so much. You really understand our lesson for this morning. So at this very moment, you're going to apply what you have learned to a real life situations. We will have another activity, and I'm going to divide you into 4 groups. Please count 1 to 4 to start by anyone who wants to raise their hand or open your mic. Okay, and each group can make your own group chat, and you can add me for a meantime so I can see everybody's conversation. Para alam ko kung gumagawa ba lahat or si leader lang yung gagawa. So, are you ready now, class? Okay, I will give this problem na. An electronic and communication engineering designed a circular disc to be put up in a call center building. Before he installed the disc, he let his men check the disc and its part. Suppose I am the engineering and you are my working man. What are now the parts of the circular disc? Identify the radius, chord, diameter, secant, and tangent given the figure. So, nakikita nyo ba yung picture? Okay. Okay, ready na po ba lahat? I will give you guys 5 minutes to do the task. Your time starts now.
A few minutes later.
Okay, time is up. May I call the representative of a group 1 to open your camera and tell us what you've done. And the rest of the group, please listen and check your answer.
A few minutes later.
From group 1 to group 4, thank you so much for your answer. Your answer is all correct. And I will show the correct answer. Yes, the chords is the point of D and G, as you can see, and HF. The diameter is the point HF, or the line HF. The radius is the point of A and H, and A and F. The secant is the line of BD. BD, correct. The tangent is line B and J. Correct. Thank you so much, group. Okay, very good. All the groups did the correct answer. Let's give everyone a virtual clap. Please comment your emoji in the chat box. Okay, for generalization, can anyone give me the recap of the things that we discussed for today? Thank you so much. Again, I will repeat the answer of Miss Claro. As a recap, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from fixed point called the center. The parts of the circle are the central point, radius, diameter, chord, secant, and tangent. I'm very grateful that you are got the lesson for today. Okay, again, the point where a tangent line touches or intersect the circle is called the point of tangency. So, you already know the parts of the circle, terms related to a circle. So, let us have a test. Can you please get one for a piece of paper? Ayan. Draw a circle with a center B with two diameters, namely segments AC and DF, whose chords are AC, DF, CF, and DG, a secant HI, and tangent JK intersecting A. Okay, this evaluation or quiz is by pair. Okay, pwede kayong mag-chat. I will give you just 10 minutes to answer this. Please take a picture and send it to me. Thank you so much.
A few minutes later.
Okay, everyone, I got the picture of their answer of everyone or students here. So I will give you just an assignment. So this is the last thing that I will do for today's lesson, just for assignment, ha? Okay, assignment: study in advance about the central angle, inscribe angle in the arcs of the circle. I think is also a part of a circle, pero dahil wala na tayong time, so pwede natin gawin itong assignment para magkaroon kayo ng knowledge before we tackle it tomorrow. Okay, so again, thank you so much, student, for listening and for being cooperative and for being attentive, for answering all the questions that I have. And I want you to all to spread the knowledge that you have learned for today. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. This is the you may go na and left the meeting. Have a good one. Please don't forget that we have assignment. You can pass it before 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless.